Good afternoon, everybody. Today is March 4th, 2015, and welcome to our live Forex Scalping session for today. Before we get started, please note and read the disclaimer that you saw just on your screen. We are HyperFX Academy, and we educate people on how to trade the Forex market successfully and with very minimal risk. We are full-time Forex traders with over 15 years of experience. So again, guys, I'm still narrating the trades for our student on his live $10,000 account. He took very few trades today. The market was very slow, so therefore didn't get a lot of trades in today. The trades, total of 3 trades. The first trade you're looking at is the pound yen trade. He used several different setups to trade today, so not just one setup. This is one of my favorite setups that you're looking at on your screen, which tells you high highs and lower lows, and the red arrows represent a sell signal, and then of course the green arrows represent a buy signal. So all 3 trades successful. The second trade that you're going to use is one of our other setups, which are analyst every day. He talks about this in his videos, which are posted on YouTube as well. So basically, in this particular setup, when we have a higher high for the resistance levels, we use horizontal trend lines, and then we also use horizontal trend lines when we have lower lows on the support levels. So unlike our other systems or other indicators, we focus on price action, and really we believe that the price action is the only true indication of what the market will do. So we don't look in the past. Pretty much we rely on what the market is doing at that particular moment when we're about to enter that trade. So again, look at this, coming back to your screen, this was his second trade for the day. Again, this is a dollar CAD trade. Very, very successful trade as well. And you can see he's been drawing the indicators, the horizontal trend lines as he goes along in that particular trade. So our goal here basically is to show you various different HyperFX strategies that we do use. Now, of course, our core strategy we don't discuss here. That is something that is a part of our workshop. And for those of you who are interested in learning that system and you're not local to us, we will have an online modular system for that as well. That's something that you can be a part of later on, and you can actually learn that system as well. So the whole program, the whole workshop, our goal is basically to educate you on the basics of Forex, and then of course get into the HyperFX core strategy on how our system works and why it's so successful, and why the majority of the trades that we do take are successful as opposed to non-successful trades. I was mentioning this to you guys yesterday, that we don't want you to have the impression that every single trade that we take is going to be a profitable trade. That is not the case. So be prepared that you will have losing trades as well. But overall, what I love about the HyperFX system and the strategy is that the system allows you to take profitable entries. And of course we give you the proper tools, we give you the proper training, and then the system, this is the key, the actual system, which has been developed over many years by our co-founder here, and it's very successful. It's been tested for many years as well. So really the results that you're seeing on your screen are actually live trades that we're taking, and you can see we closing those trades out in profits. So the system actually works, which is great. So any of you guys who are local in Toronto area and you're interested in attending our workshop, we encourage you to get in touch with us. It is going to be most likely the 3rd week of March, so March 21st. We will be announcing that on our YouTube channel as well on our Facebook page very shortly. So definitely get in touch with us if you're interested. Again, we will be disclosing more dates about our online modular system as well. So our student is actually very, very excited. Today, like I said, was a very slow day. We had a few losing trades, but overall the day was a successful day. He managed about 1% of returns for today. And like I was saying, it was a very volatile market today, a lot of news coming out. So he wasn't able to place his regular trades like we normally trade, but he did manage to place 3 successful trades. So overall it worked great. 3 profitable trades, I should say. There you go, guys. You're looking at his the screen. His closing balance successfully. He's maintaining 1 to 2%, and we're being very, very careful with this account because it is a live account. So this is, I mean, wonderful for us to see, as well, of course, for our student. This is it for me, guys. I will be back tomorrow, hopefully earlier, and I will speak to you then. Happy trading until then.